Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. At the beginning of this year, we're celebrating the 80th birthday of the first appearance of Captain Haddock in the comic book series The Adventures of Tintin. And to celebrate your occasion, I thought it was a cool idea to redraw one of the covers of this series that features Captain Haddock, and I picked one of my favorite albums, and that is The Red Sea Sharks. Let's have a look. The Red Sea Sharks is the 19th volume of The Adventures of Tintin, a comic book series by Belgian cartoonist Hergé. The story was serialized weekly in Belgium's Tintin magazine from October 1956 to January 1958, before being published in a collected volume in 1958. The narrative follows the young reporter Tintin, his dog Snowy, and his friend Captain Haddock as they travel to the fictional Middle Eastern kingdom of Kemet, with the intention of aiding the Emir Ben Kalish Assab in regaining control after a coup by his enemies, who are financed by slave traders led by Tintin's old nemesis Rastapopoulos. Now let's talk a little about our birthday boy here. Captain Haddock is a fictional character in The Adventures of Tintin. He's one of Tintin's best friends and a pipe-smoking merchant marine captain. His first appearance was 80 years ago in the album The Crab with the Golden Claws in 1941. Haddock was initially depicted as a weak and alcoholic character under the control of his treacherous first mate Alan, but he evolves to become Tintin's best friend and joins him on all of their adventures. Throughout it all, the captain's coarse humanity and sarcasm acts as a counterpoint to Tintin's often implausible heroism. He is always quick with a dry comment whenever the boy reporter gets too idealistic. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to get a softer lead to solidify those lines and to get in more details. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of one of my favorite Tintin albums, and if you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!